Hello guys, review POCO F7, this version 12GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. Device in the black color. Okay, and we have flagship Snapdragon CPU 8S Gen 4, massive 6500 mAh battery, 6.8-inch display AMOLED, 120 Hz. Okay, good. And open completion. In completion we have only protected back cover and Type-C to USB cable. On the back side, double camera, on this side power button and volume buttons, front side 6.8-inch, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Okay, turn on device. We have display Full HD Plus AMOLED 120 Hz, open settings and look Android version. We have HyperOS 2.0.2, Android 15, very smooth, and open Geekbench 6. Look CPU test results. Perfect results and GPU test results. Okay, very powerful. Look Antutu benchmark. Perfect. Close this and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load and works on the max graphic level. Very high graphic and very high frame rate. Perfect gameplay. Very perfect gameplay. Okay, now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.